Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to reset the throttle mapping on your BMW. Now it's a feature that is designed to make your driving smoother, and the car basically learns your throttle inputs to make it smoother, try and work out what you're doing, links into the gearbox as well, and just it's designed to help, but ultimately what it can do is result in your car feeling slow, sluggish, not difficult to drive, but more frustrating to drive. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to reset it. It doesn't take long at all. It takes about 20 seconds in total. All we need is our key here. So let's get in the car. You need to have your engine off. Everything off. We're just going to sit in the car as if we've just got in it. Then what we're going to do is place our foot flat on the accelerator. Turn the ignition off, turn the key to position 2, which is difficult to do because you've got, if anybody's got one of these cars, you'll know the steering lock is very eager. So we're going to wait 10 seconds now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to take foot off the throttle, turn the car off completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then all you need to do is start the car again, and your throttle will now be remapped. So it should be more sensitive and be more fun to drive the whole car. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, let me know if it's worked for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.